Have you ever noticed how good you feel after a great workout? You're energized, you're confident, you feel strong and capable. This feeling of well-being extends far beyond the gym. It can significantly impact your sexual health, leading to a more satisfying and enjoyable sex life. This isn't about achieving a certain body image, it's about feeling your best from the inside out. Regular exercise, combined with a healthy lifestyle, can do wonders for your physical and mental well-being, including your sexual health. The connection between fitness and sexual wellness is undeniable. When you engage in regular physical activity, your body reaps numerous benefits. Your cardiovascular system improves, your muscles grow stronger, and your energy levels soar. These physical improvements directly translate into a healthier and more fulfilling sex life. Exercise helps increase blood flow throughout your body, including to your sexual organs. This enhanced circulation is crucial for both men and women, as it plays a vital role in arousal and sexual function. Cardiovascular exercise, often shortened to cardio, is any activity that gets your heart rate up and makes you breathe harder. Think running, swimming, biking, or dancing. These exercises are like magic for your heart and blood vessels. Regular cardio strengthens your heart, making it more efficient at pumping blood. This means better circulation overall, which translates to improved sexual performance. Increased stamina, a key benefit of cardio, can also lead to longer-lasting and more enjoyable intimate moments. Strength training, like lifting weights or using resistance bands, isn't just about building big muscles. It's about building a strong foundation for your overall health and well-being. This includes your sexual health. Strength training helps boost testosterone levels, a crucial hormone for both men and women's sexual desire and performance. It also improves body composition, leading to increased muscle mass and reduced body fat. This can boost confidence and self-esteem, making you feel more comfortable and attractive. The power of flexibility, enhancing intimacy. Flexibility might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about sexual health, but it plays a surprisingly significant role. Being flexible allows for a wider range of motion and more comfortable positions during intimate moments. Activities like yoga and Pilates are fantastic for improving flexibility. They stretch and strengthen your muscles, making you more limber and less prone to injuries. This increased flexibility can lead to more enjoyable and satisfying sexual experiences. Mind-body connection, yoga and Pilates for sexual health. Yoga and Pilates deserve a special mention. Beyond their physical benefits, these practices emphasize the mind-body connection, a crucial aspect of sexual well-being. They incorporate deep breathing techniques and mindfulness, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. Stress is a major libido killer. By reducing stress levels, yoga and Pilates can help clear your mind and allow you to be more present and in tune with your body and partner. This enhanced awareness can lead to a more fulfilling and connected sexual experience. You don't need to become a gym rat to reap the benefits of exercise for your sexual health. Start by incorporating a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises into your routine at least 3 times a week. For cardio, aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This could be brisk walking, jogging, swimming, or dancing. For strength training, focus on compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, like squats, push-ups, and rows. And don't forget about flexibility. Include some yoga or Pilates sessions, or simply spend a few minutes stretching each day. As important as it is to challenge your body, it's equally important to prioritize rest and recovery. Give your muscles time to repair and rebuild after workouts. This allows them to grow stronger and prevents injuries. Listen to your body's signals. If you're feeling sore or fatigued, take a break. Rest days are not a sign of weakness. They're crucial for allowing your body to recover and come back stronger. The key to maximizing the sexual health benefits of exercise is consistency. Don't expect overnight miracles. It takes time and dedication to see significant results. Make exercise a regular part of your routine and view it as an investment in your overall well-being, including your sexual health. Remember, even small, consistent efforts add up over time. Start where you are, listen to your body, and enjoy the journey. The rewards of a healthier, more fulfilling sex life are well worth the effort. Improving your sexual health through exercise isn't just about boosting your performance in the bedroom. It's about embracing a healthier, more confident and more satisfying life overall. When you feel good physically and mentally, it translates into every aspect of your life, including your relationships and intimacy. So, lace up those sneakers, hit the gym, and start experiencing the transformative power of exercise on your sexual health and overall well-being.